A faster way to get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube for your monetization is by live streaming. But today we are going to talk about live streaming using the YouTube app and live streaming using the Restream app. You would have heard a lot about the Restream app, and there are a lot of contradictions about using Restream app. So one of the contradictions about using Restream app is people say when you stream using the Restream app, you cannot get monetized that way. But I beg to differ. If you have another idea, you can also let me know in the comment section. But I know that if you use the Restream app and you stream someone else's video without proper editing, that can limit your chances of monetizing that content. But if you stream using your own video, like you just loop your own video on that Restream app, you can monetize it. So that's just the difference. So let's talk about using the Restream app to live stream and using the YouTube app. Now, I think the YouTube app does it better. Like, you get more views when you live stream using your YouTube app. You can let me know if you have another idea about this whole thing in the comments. But from my own opinion and observation, the YouTube live streams I do, they actually give me more views and more audience. Like, I get nothing less than, I have gotten so far nothing less than 20 new subscribers for every live stream I have done. So you can let me know if you have a second idea about this whole thing. But I think that live streaming using the YouTube app does way better than using the Restream app. The Restream app is good because you can just the only advantage about that is that you don't have to be there, you don't have to be present. Like, you can live stream and do other things at the same time. Like, you just upload your video, loop the video, and the video keeps playing. You can even stream overnight and get your watch time. But I think when you stream using the YouTube app, you get more views, more subscribers. That's what I think. So you can let me know if you have something else. If you're still watching at this point and you have not yet smashed the like button, go ahead and smash the like button right now. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome to Jay's Tips. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done so. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment for me. It's very frustrating when you're putting in so much effort and you're not seeing results for those efforts you put in. You will be discouraged. You will not even like to post more. You will not like to do more and do better. I really hope that this video will help a whole lot of you to hit your 1,000 subscribers faster. Bye, guys.